Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on lock screen, and then you want to swipe down and tap on always on display. So tapping on the switch on the right hand side here allow you to switch it on or off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and up here you can also switch them on or off. Once it is on, you can also change other functions associated with always on display, such as you can choose tap to show for 10 seconds, or always shows always on display, or show as schedule. You can change the clock style, show music information, set screen orientation to portrait or landscape, turn on or turn off auto brightness, and so on. And that's it. So now that it is on, we can have a look to see what it's like. So at the moment you can see it's not very bright because we have a lighting that's shining directly into the phone, but at nighttime the always on display is very bright, so sometimes you might even want to lower down the display light because that may interrupt your sleep at night. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.